Together, we can make a lasting impact by promoting early screening, ensuring prompt and effective treatment, optimizing the management of comorbid condition, and preventing the serious complication of diabetes. Today reminds us that diabetes is not only a medical condition but a public health and a social concern that touches the families and communities across our nation. Through awareness, education, and united action, we can empower every Filipino to live a healthier, longer, and more fulfilling lives. Let us continue to work hand in hand, healthcare professionals, patients,